hearts. And guess what? Where we going today? We're going to Butuan City and we're going to my cousin because it's her birthday in April 18th. So we're going there because I'll show you what's going on and what's happening. I'll see you at the terminal. Bye! We're going now to Butuan City, as you can see. Yeah. See you there, everyone. Butuan City, and I'll be there. And I'll be back again. I'll see you at Butuan City. Welcome, and we are here in Butuan City in my tita's house. As you can see naman, yes mga loves, ayan o, pak. Ayan babe, tignan nyo naman ang view. Do you want to see the view? Teka lang. And here is the view mga loves. Ayan o, ayan. Ayan ang view natin. Ayan ang view. As you can see, mga box. Ayan. And ang ating view. Ayan ang box. Ang view natin ngayon mga lola ko. Perfect ang ating view. Ano? Arat na ba? Ay, nahulog siya. Ayan. As you can see, di ba perfect siya, be? Ayan. As you can see naman, this is my tita's house. Tita G. Mga be, makikita. Be. That's her truck. Ayan, mga box. So, yun lang. So, tomorrow is the big day. See you for part 2. May part 2. Kaya may bakala, may part 2 pa, ganun, may nalalaman. So, ayan. At ang kanilang view. So, pumunta tayo dito. Tour guide. This is a house rate. House rate tayo bakala. House rate. Ayan. House rate tayo. Ayan. Dito is the second floor, and this is where we're staying in. Yes. It's super messy. So, ayan. So, and then, this is Ate Jean's old room. I'll show you. Ate Jean's old room. This is the old room. It had a TV. So, placado. And this is the private room, the master's bedroom. Charas. So, here is the first floor. As you can see, if you go down there, there's this first floor, yes. I don't want to go to first floor because pagod. So, and here's the bathroom. Yes. Organized and malinis. Yeah. Organized. Perfect. I love it. Organized. And as you can see, hindi to sa aking AirPods. Sa ate ko yan. Yeah, perfect. If you're watching, sis, say hello. Perfect. And we are outside again. This is the plants of my titas. Yeah, say hello guys. Hello kayo sa vlog. Hello, yes, of course. Ito, plants. And that's the tour. Ayoko bumaba kasi utusan na naman ako ni mother. Ayoko talaga mauutusan guys. Kaya kung makita niyo ako tapos ayaw ko talaga mautusan, be. Ayaw, never. So, that's it for today. That's it for my vlog. And see you tomorrow. It's the big day of our adorable baby Sandro. because they are not here because they're in the Golden. So if you want to say hello to them and if you want to see them and say hi to the vlog, maybe charot. Wala kayong pakialam, be, kung mag-hi kayo or wala. Kasi wala na kayong pakialam sa akin. Charot. Kung, ano, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow's vlog and see ya. And I hope you enjoy my vlog. And tomorrow is the big day. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like and subscribe. This is your queen, the ultimate viral queen, Lizzie Hearts. And don't forget to like and share this video to make our followers and boom, boom, boom. Like Venus Deluxe says. Make this popping. Like go mopping. Charot, hindi yan ginawa ni Venus Deluxe. Ginawa ko yon. Bakit nyo ba? Gusto niyan? Gusto ko yan! Bomba na! I'll see you tomorrow's vlog, everyone. I love you all. Lizzie Hearts out.